Hi there, my name is Fiona Valores, and I'll be explaining why Daidzein should be considered a molecular hero of the year. Have you ever heard of the compound Daidzein? Perhaps you're more familiar with some of the items it is found in, such as soybeans and legumes. The etymology of Daidzein is believed to have come from Daidzu, the name for soybean in Japanese. Daidzein is a naturally occurring plant compound that has been studied and praised for its health benefits. Well, let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with some of the basic physical characteristics of daidzein, such as the name, dihydroxyisoflavone, the chemical formula, C15H10O4, the molecular weight, 254.23 grams over moles, the melting point, 596.15 Kelvin, the boiling point, 785.95 Kelvin, and its solubility in organic solvents such as ethanol, dimethyl sulfoxide, and dimethylformamide. Next, let's consider the chemical characteristics of this molecule, such as its stability in air. Oxidative stress arising from the presence of hydrogen atoms requires that the molecule must be stored in an airtight container. Its toxicity. Daidzein was found to be safe in acute and repeated oral dose toxicity studies at all selected doses. Its flammability. Daidzein readily reacts with flame retardant groups and chars at high temperatures. And its non-symmetrical, non-planar structure. To further understand its properties, let's look at an enantiomer of daidzein. After ingestion, human intestinal bacteria transform daidzein into dihydrodaidzein. This metabolite, unlike daidzein, has a chiral center and can occur as two distinct enantiomers. However, it is unclear which enantiomer is present in humans. For humans, daidzein is the main source of non-steroidal estrogens with numerous pharmacological activities such as anti-hemolytic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Preclinical studies showed that daidzein inhibited the breast cancer progression by impeding cell proliferation. Let's now take a look at some similarly performing molecules like genstein, which is structurally similar but less bioavailable than daidzein in adult women, and equol, a metabolite produced by the conversion of daidzein by gut bacteria. Daidzein belongs to a class of molecules known as isoflavones, a subgroup of flavonoids. Isoflavones are generally characterized by their chemical structure, which includes two benzene rings linked by a 3-carbon chain. They are known for their phytoestrogenic properties, meaning that they can interact with estrogen receptors in the body and exhibit estrogen-like effects. Although daidzein's discovery is not attributed to a single individual or event, it was first identified in the mid-20th century as part of efforts to study the chemical composition of soybeans. Though there is very little information about the history of daidzein, it is said that Tetsuo Nozaki characterized its chemical structure in 1941. Daidzein concentration varies in soy-derived food products such as soy flour, soy protein, and tempeh. With 8 milligrams in 3 ounces of tofu and 22 milligrams in half a cup of miso, daidzein is considered to be an abundant and economical food source of biologically active isoflavones. The International Union of Molecular Enthusiasts should consider daidzein to be a molecular hero of the year because of its accessibility and presence of dietary isoflavones that protect against chronic diseases common in Western societies. Here are references and credits. It should be noted that this video was made for Chemistry 1083 of the University of Texas at San Antonio. Thank you.